You are skinny fat, broad shoulders but soft midsection, or fit arms with a puffy gut. The question is not whether to bulk or cut. It is which strategy fits your current body composition. Day 28 gives you the exact answer. Every fitness forum tells you something different. One thread says cut. Another says lean bulk. A third says do cardio and eat 600 calories over maintenance. You are more confused than when you started. Funny moment, your mirror is not the villain here. The conflicting advice floating around the internet is: the skinny fat body is not an identity. It is a body composition phase, and it is fixable with the right strategy. Body recomposition, gaining muscle while losing fat, is well documented in untrained beginners and those returning to structured resistance training, per a 2024 review in the Journal of Sports Sciences. A 2025 ISSN review confirmed that higher body fat percentages, above 20% for men and 30% for women, correlate with improved recomposition outcomes because the body can mobilize fat for fuel while building muscle. A mini-cut, a 2 to 4 week deficit of 300 to 500 calories after a small bulk, preserves muscle gained and reduces fat gain per a 2024 ISSN study. 20%. For men above that body fat threshold, the science confirms you have a meaningful recomposition advantage. Begin with recomp before a full bulk. Here is your 3-step Day 28 action plan. Step 1. If you are a trained beginner or above 20% body fat, start at maintenance calories with high protein at 1.6 grams per kilogram. This is your recomposition sweet spot. Step 2. If you are experienced and lean below 15%, do a 300-calorie surplus with protein at 1.8 grams per kilogram and train progressive overload heavy. This is your lean bulk. Step 3. Every 8 weeks, run a 2-week mini-cut at a 300 to 500 calorie deficit to shed fat gained without losing muscle. Myth. I have to either bulk until I am huge or cut until I am tiny. There is no middle ground. Truth. Recomp is a legitimate third path for beginners and those with higher body fat. A 2024 Journal of Sports Sciences review found simultaneous fat loss and muscle gain is achievable without any extreme phase. Let's recap Day 28. Recomp works if you are untrained or above 20% body fat. Lean bulk with a 300-calorie surplus if you are experienced and already lean. Insert a 2-week mini-cut every 8 weeks to keep fat gain in check. This has been InfoVital. Like, subscribe, share. Tomorrow, Day 29, we cover the cut after the bulk, keeping the muscle.